What's up? What's up, baby? The corn is ready to come out. I'm gonna go and season it up and put it in the I boiled it like that way it won't be mixing in the seasoning and stuff. And now I boiled it for like 15 minutes. That way it could be some kind of sour. Now I'm gonna put the seasoning and stuff on I like now. You know it gotta be that, baby. The coffee seasoning. Put it out. Let's put it on there, baby. Bam. And I took that butter. I put 1, 2, 3, 4 now. Gotta have that old butter. Put it in there because the corn already have the. Got that oven on right. Put that little corn over there. Put my seasoning on it. You know, I like it hot. This some cayenne here, y'all. I'm just making something, try to make some elotes good. Put a little on now. Just seasoning it on up. Then I put a little garlic powder on it. Just to see, you know. Just so, you know, little garlic, tasting it. You know, ain't nothing gonna go right if you don't put no pepper on it. Just put a little pepper on there. Just got good. You gotta put it all over it. Damn. You know. All right, now what else I had? Okay, I had the garlic and stuff. That's enough salt stuff good. Then I had a little onion. I'm going to sit in here with it. Okay. Then I had some limes. I'm going to squeeze on there and squeeze that lime juice and let that sit in there with it too. And I might just put block 1 lime in there. Just for the... Trying to make my own elotes, baby. Just put a little lime old juice in there. Just stick 1 in there. I say that for the baby. Elotes in the building, honey. I'm gonna bake this here. Come back out. Make sure I got my sour cream and all this stuff. My little cheese is going down, baby.